Good day everyone. Today I'm going to present my training plan under the qualification of computer system servicing. So the nominal duration of my training is 9.41 hours considering that the total duration of the training is 160 divided by the 15 learning outcomes or 17 learning outcomes of my qualification. So, dito po, makikita yung training needs ng aking mga naging respondent sa TNA or training needs analysis. So, then next po is yung mga possible activities na kailangan nilang i-accomplish during the training, and then yung mode of training or kung paano nila matututunan or yung mga strategies kung paano nila matututunan yung training. Then, dito po sa step is yung magiging supervisor or yung magiging guide ng student within the training. And then, yung facilities and equipment, ito po yung mga gagamitin nila during the training. And then, sa venue po is yung place kung saan gaganapin yung training. And then, yung assessment method naman po is kung paano a-assess yung kanilang skills kung mayroong development. And then, dito naman sa date and time is yung tentative date or schedule kung kailan gaganapin ang training. So, nilagay ko po dito sa staff is si Sir John Paul Chavez. Ito po yung teacher ko ng grade 12. So, siya na lang po yung linagay ko sa staff. And then, sa venue naman po is yung New Ongto Computer Repair Services sa Iriga City. Then, sa mode of training po is in-specify ko po yung mga possible methods kung paano matututunan ng bata yung mga activity considering their learning style. So, si trainee A po is preferred niya po yung visual, reflector, pragmatist, activist, and other styles. So, yung nangyari po is yung naging mode of training po para sa kanya is combination din po ng iba't ibang uri ng learning style. So, makikita po natin dito merong network design model. So, yung network design model, makakatulong to para malaman niya kung anong ba yung tamang design na kailangan niyang gawin kapag gagawa or magsiset up ng network. Then, dito rin po sa ibang example is yung practical performance considering the client device or configuring client device. Sorry po. And then, meron din pong verbal instructions, and then yung lectures, collection of materials necessary to complete work. So, dito naman po i-identify niya po dito yung mga possible na materials na gagamitin sa pag-conduct ng activity. So, punta naman po tayo kay trainee B. So, si trainee B naman po, sa mode of training naman niya is more on visual. So, kaya yung mga kalagay dito is PowerPoint, Pamlets, video presentation, then PowerPoints ulit, and Pamlets. So, bago ko nga po pala makalimutan, yung magiging mode of training po ng mga trainee is yung dualized mode of training delivery. So, ibig sabihin po, magaganap po yung training between the school and then the partner industry. So, next naman po is si trainee C, ganun din. si trainee C po is combination of visual and reflector. Kaya kung mapapansin mo or kung mapapansin po ninyo, meron po siyang nakalagay ditong video presentation and then meron din pong nakalagay na observation. Then si trainee D naman po is more on visual yung kanyang PowerPoint or yung kanyang mode of training like PowerPoint and Pamlets. And then kay trainee E naman is ganun din, lahat din po PowerPoint and Pamlets kasi nga po yung mode of training po niya is more on visual kasi nga visual yung mas pinili niya or mas preferred niyang learning style. So considering naman po dito sa dates ng mga training, so sa dates naman po ng training, so hindi ko na po ulit i-scroll kasi medyo mahaba po kasi ay consist po siya ng 20 days na training considering po na 160 hours po yung total number ng or total nominal duration ng training po under the core competency. So kaya 20 days yung magiging total number days ng training na ikakandak sa industry. So yun lang po.